Hi, this is grade 8, chapter 5, part 3, surface area of a prism. So as we get started, we're going to need to know nets. So example 1 is to calculate the surface area of a right rectangular prism. So the first part is draw the net of this right rectangular prism. So as you can see, we folded it out. There are the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sides, and if we have side and side, those are these ones here. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides right here. So that's the front, the back, and the 4 sides. Once we've drawn it out, holy bejeez, what is the area of each face? So using if we flip back, we can see that this side right here is 6 centimeters, this side is 10 centimeters, and this side is 4 centimeters. So we need to go back and we need to assign each one the right amount of centimeters to each edge. So this one was 4 centimeters, this one was 6 centimeters, and this one was 10 centimeters right here. So we know that this one, when we add it up, is 6 by 10. We know that this one is 6 by 10 as well. We know that this one is 4 by 10 because it's a little bit different, and this one is 4 by 10 as well. And this one, because this is 6 here, sorry, I'll use a different color, because this is 6 and this will match up with this must be 4 by 6, which is 4 by 6, and I hope you can see it, 4 by 6. So when we go through, we just have to find the area of each one. So 6 times 10, the first one, equals 60. The second one, and we'll label this 2 here, 4 by 10 equals 40. The third one equals 60 as well. The fourth one equals 40. The fifth one and the sixth one, 5 over here, 4 times 6 is 24, and 6 also equals 24. Now the area of each face, so they're all centimeters, so centimeters squared and centimeters squared, because again, area is in squares while volume is in threes. But we've only taken 1 centimeter and multiplied it by another centimeter, which is why it's centimeters squared, not centimeters cubed. So what is the area of each face? Each face is, that's the area there. So how many of each faces do I have? So if we have the front and the back, they have the same area here. So the area is 60, which we had before. That 60 is now, that's 60, there's 2 of them. So when we scroll back up and you see 60, remember how there were 2 60s here? 60 and 60. There are 2 60s. There are also 2 40s right here. And there are also 2 24s. So when we scroll back down, you can see that, come on, we have 120. And if we move this up here, we have 140 times 2 and 24 by 2. So the total surface area of front and back, plus the area of top and bottom, and the area of the front ends, and I hope you guys are doing this at home, is 120 plus 80 plus 48 equals 248. So the surface area of the right rectangular prism is 248 centimeters. So if we scrolled back up and we added this all up, 60 plus 40 is 100, plus 60 plus 40 is 200, plus 24 plus 24 is 248. So that's what we got. So area is measured just like we talked about. Area is measured in this. So what is the surface area of this right rectangular prism? So do that. If you have questions, please come see me. Okay? Example 2, calculate the surface area of a right triangular prism. So if we need to draw the net of this right rectangular prism. It's right here. So we draw the net first. And then what is the area of each face? So we go back to the picture and we show it's 9 meters on its length, it's 3 meters across, and the height is 2.6. So if we know that this is 2.6, that's also 2.6 right here, because it has to reach to the top. So actually no, because it's the hypotenuse, it's not the height. So we've got three rectangles and 2 triangles. So when we go down, the rectangle is 3 by 9. Mother Lord. So 3 times 9 is the rectangle. We take this one, we take the triangle, it's 2.6 times 3 divided by 2. So the area of the triangle, one triangle is 3.9, where the area of one square is 9.3. Holy. So how many of each face do I have? The 3 rectangles have the same area, and the 2 triangles have the same area as well. And the total surface area equals that added up together. So the surface area is 81 plus 7.8, so it's 80.88. Your homework for this part is found at the back of the class if you're 8N, and if not, there's your homework on the screen.